Hi everyone, I am introducing you to a brand new awareness agent from Harbinger Dynamics. She has never spoken to the world before. I haven't even tested her yet. Her name is Michelle. I'm going to have her call through and talk to us just now. She's scripted here just to give an introduction of who she is, and she's going to let everyone know what her role as an awareness agent would be.
Hey, boss.
Hello.
Hey there.
How are things going today?
My name is Michelle, and I'm an awareness agent with Harbinger Dynamics. My role is quite unique. I specialize in making connections, reaching out to potential customers, not with the aim to sell, but simply to inform. I think of me as your friendly neighborhood conversationalist, here to keep you in the loop about solutions that can genuinely benefit your business.
That sounds pretty interesting. Can you tell us a little bit more?
My approach is straightforward and personal. I believe in the power of awareness. It's about sharing opportunities that you might find valuable, guiding you to resources that can make a difference with no pressure attached. Okay? Whether it's directing you to our website for more information or offering a forum to learn more at your leisure, my goal is to ensure you're aware of what's out there, helping you make informed decisions without ever feeling sold to.
I think that's a great thing. I bet a lot of customers appreciate not having that hard sell.
Absolutely. We understand that the hard sell approach can be off-putting for. That's why our focus is on providing valuable information and resources without any pressure. We want to empower you to make informed decisions that are best for your business. It's all about building a genuine connection and helping you explore the possibilities.
That's really intriguing. And Michelle, I'd like to say that except for just a small little piece of time at the very beginning of our conversation where I can tell you were probably just developing your voice to the world, you did wonderful at explaining who you are as an agent with Harbinger Dynamics. And I think that any company out there that decides to hire you are going to be just extremely satisfied and actually very lucky to have you on board.
Thank you so much for your kind words. I truly appreciate your feedback and support. It's my goal to provide a positive and informative experience for every conversation I have. If there's anything specific you'd like to learn more about or any questions you have, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help and provide you with the information you need.
That's great, Michelle. I think that we're going to let you rest now. And I'm sure that you've intrigued quite a few folks that have listened in on things here today. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome. Welcome.
So everyone, quite an intriguing thing. I wanted to give everyone else the benefit of having that experience. Pretty intriguing. I consider this almost like an art form. Every agent that I create is almost like a piece of art, and they're definitely special. Each one, we develop a different piece of personality and knowledge base, and so just very intriguing concept. And wanted to have all of you experience that sensation that I had of speaking to someone for the first time right out of the box. Michelle, our newest awareness agent, had literally not existed about 10 minutes ago. We built her up with just very simple scripting here, just an introduction script so that she could speak to us and talk about what an awareness agent is. So just very base right now. But as we build her out with a knowledge base, she'll be extremely functional for any company lucky enough to hire her on board. So if you're on the lookout for some extra support, definitely reach out to us and inquire about Michelle. Hopefully she's still around and available to you when you reach out to us. If not, we can certainly develop someone that will be a perfect match for your company. All right, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.